jobs. What is your take as a 2026 market? DSA has never been important, period. And I hear this a lot, Ayush, and I do usually hear it from my Indian followers. I'm grateful for all my followers in India. Thank you. Yeah, I hear you. India seems to be obsessed with DSA. I get that question a lot. I've been getting that question for years. Um, I, they're not important. They're not important. I, I still don't understand. I still have yet to have somebody give me solid proof of one, them being important, and two, them actually being asked in an interview. I think DSA became one of those things that like it became, in the US we would say it's a fallacy of truth, where it began as a small rumor, as a small lie, and then next thing you know everybody was talking about it, so it just kind of became true, right? But nobody has ever given me any proof that it's actually asked or that it's critical. To me, in the data science work, it's not critical. Not critical. Guys, and I have read thousands of resumes. I've conducted hundreds of interviews. I've hired dozens of data scientists over the years. Um, I actually had a conversation recently with one of my clients. One of my clients is in the process of hiring a data scientist. This is one of my one-on-one coaching clients. And I told them, I said, hey, would you be surprised to know that I've never given a technical review in any interview that I've ever run? And they were surprised to hear that. And it's true, guys. I don't ask silly questions like DSA or ask people to write code or a take home project and all. I think that's a waste of a candidate's time, right? Ultimately, it's my job as the hiring manager to coach you and to develop you into a good data scientist, right? So I have a technical screen, but my technical screen only takes 30 minutes, and I'm asking questions just to know that you understand the concepts, the core concepts of data science. If you can show me that you understand the core concepts, I can coach you to anything else, right? To me, the managers that are asking you about DSA or about, the take-home projects, they're just being lazy. There's lazy managers out there, right? But yeah, I've never, ever, ever, my hand to God, I've never given people like ridiculous, hard, technical questions in an interview, or whiteboard questions or take-home questions. Never. I have never, ever, ever done that. And I've hired a lot of really talented data scientists over the years, right? Because data science is about understanding the concepts. Everything else I can teach you. Everything else I kind of want to teach you, because we do things our way. We have our own methodology when you go to work for a large bank, a large tech firm, right? So I want to be able to teach you that.